Alhamdulillah antusias remaja Dasan PAUD sangat semangat karena menyambut bulan suci Ramadan. Allahu Akbar. Guys, kita sedang melaksanakan kegiatan
Halo guys.
gotong royong.
Persiapkan diri bulan Ramadan.
There's faith in my world. It comes back to your teachings and all your words. From your life I have learned to be patient and caring at every turn. The reason I'm strong, you're where I belong. In a world spinning out of control, the reason for my pride, you are my guide. And I will always follow your way, your way, your way. Oh.